This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Carmen Escudero. Prime Light Manufacturing Warehouse Space, Tamiami Airport Area. Discover the perfect location for your business with this 1,384 square feet warehouse conveniently situated next to Tamiami Airport. Ideal for light manufacturing, this space offers functionality and convenience to support your operational needs. Features include 12 loading door for seamless loading and unloading. Office space to accommodate your administrative needs. Renovated bathroom. Ample common area parking to ensure accessibility for your team and clients. This property's proximity to major transportation routes and the airport makes it an excellent choice for businesses seeking efficiency and visibility. Don't miss out on this versatile warehouse space, it's ready to support your growth and success. For more information, review the details below.